Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech Helpline. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to log out on Tinder. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also, press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Now let's get started with the video. Tap open Tinder application and when you end up in the home page, tap on your profile image at the top. From your profile page, tap on Settings. Scroll all the way down until you see a Log Out button. Give it a tap and select if you want to be remembered by the system next time while logging into your account, or if you don't want to do that, you can tap on Forget Me on this device. And that way you'll be able to log out of Tinder right away on your iPhone. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thanks for watching.